Replacing a condenser fan motor. Previous technician found it failed, so what I usually do is pre-assemble the fan motor, set the power off, and basically plug and play with it. Just, you got to loosen these bolts here. Of course, take the fan shroud off, but you got to loosen those bolts, and it gives the motor a little play. You unplug this little plug in here, and it comes out one whole piece. No fighting with a blade. Just pull it out, sit the new one in place, tighten it up, secure it, plug it in, and verify everything on your control compartment side, and you're good to go. All right, so let's take it apart and get it going. All right, so just gonna loosen these bolts up here. Shit. And the other thing is, this plug does not match up with the new motor, so we're gonna have to snip these wires and add some spade connectors to it. But yeah, at this point, that's the only issue I see right now that would make the job slightly longer. So yeah, let me get these bolts off, get the motor swapped out. All right, guys, got the new motor and blade on. It's not hitting. Fan guard's not hitting. I mean, the blade's not hitting the fan guards. Spins freely. Got my plug in secured. Tighten both of those bolts there. We got to put the fan guard on and wire up the low voltage and test everything out. I'll bring you back.